Choosing an AI coding assistant in 2025, you've probably come across three big names: Cursor, WINDSURF, and Cline. But which ones is right for you? Let's go break it down. First up, Cursor. It's built right into VS Code, so if you're already using that, you're gonna feel right at home. Cursor gives you smart code suggestions, reviews your code for errors, and even helps debug problems. Think of it like a supercharged copilot. Easy to use, fast, and pretty powerful. There's a free plan, a pro version, and an enterprise tier for dreams. Next, we got Windsurf. This one's more standalone. It's built by the team behind Condium and designed for speed and simplicity. To stand out feature, Cascade. It's like a smart assistant that understands your whole code base and can edit multiple files at once. Windsurf is also loaded with tools like code lenses and super complete, giving next level autocompletion. Free for individuals, then tiered plans for pros and teams. And then there's Cline. Cline isn't just about generating code. It wants to teach you. It offers two modes. One for acting directly, the other for planning things out with you. It also has something called MCP, or multi-context processing, which lets it understand your project more deeply. Clients big on flexibility and learning. Pricing, not clearly listed yet, but it's positioned more like a thoughtful coding mentor. So what's the verdict? If you want smooth integration and solid AI help inside VS Code, go with Cursor. If you're looking for an AI that works more independently and handles whole projects, try Windsurf. If you want guidance like an AI that helps you grow as developer, Klein might be your pick. The tools are powerful, but how you use them, that's what really matters. I hope this video helps everyone and thank you for watching.